Are you looking for a home on your own, or are you seeking a home through the listing agent only? If so, this minute's for you. Many buyers think there is some advantage in looking for everything on their own, and of course, they can do that very readily, but you can't become aware of listings not yet on the market. For that, an agent can be very useful. Having your own agent as a buyer specialist has several advantages. One is they can give you local expertise and information you may not have thought of on your own. Secondly, that agent may be much more experienced in negotiating contracts and dealing with a myriad of things that come up during escrow. We would suggest that you consider interviewing at least a few agents to find out which agent is the most experienced. Find out how many homes they've sold in the last year or so, how well they negotiate contracts, and then, once you've picked out an agent you feel will best represent you, give them the courtesy of at least a few months' loyalty. They work hard to do their job and they get paid nothing until an escrow is closed. Thanks for visiting us. Good for that?
Yep.
Okey-doke. Moreover, those who seek out the listing agent to work for, nope. Take a look at what we have to suggest. How's that? Not good enough. Okay.